Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, there's something that one of the viewers asked me what will be the impact of this, as Google has announced that the HTML version of Gmail will be removed or deprecated in January. And so that person says, I thought, it was all HTML, it's on a web page. Well, actually, there's a lot of technologies that make web page show up. HTML is one, but with Gmail, there's a lot of the newer technologies that are used. And so HTML could be put aside. And of course, there's a lot of other ways to show the content in a modern web browser. Now, they had kept a lot of it probably because there's a lot of very old devices with old browsers that don't have the latest technologies and that will view the page as an HTML page like in the good old days. And this is one of the things that is going to go away. If you're using an old device, an old PC with an old browser that's not been updated because your device cannot update anymore, January, all of the Gmail possibilities will go away for reading your emails. The other thing that it can impact is people with disabilities that use screen readers. There could be a problem. HTML version of Gmail was actually easier to read on many of the readers. Of course, the new version, it's a little more complicated and doesn't necessarily always work perfectly well. So that could also impact some people using screen readers to have their emails read to them. Of course, there's alternatives you can use, an aggregator. I know that Thunderbird, the email aggregator for that Mozilla has, is very good with screen readers, apparently. So that could be an alternative for those of you that have their emails read to you. But it impacts mostly all devices. Like I said, HTML. There's no actually reason. Google doesn't say why they're actually retiring it. So there's no clear reason for that to happen from them. But I guess they're just moving on with technology and want to make Google and Gmail more modern in web browsers. So you'll have to have a more modern browser to view your Gmail account online. Or else, of course, if you have an old device, you might actually be able to see your emails in aggregators. That's something you can try also, where you will be viewing your email in a software. So that's happening in January 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.